Hi, this is Crystal Star. I hope you are all staying safe, staying home, and doing well in this time of stress and craziness in the world. Today, we'd like to offer you meditations, tips, tricks to help us through this anxiety that we're all going through right now, worldwide. So you could do this anywhere you like, on your couch, on your bed, on the floor, wherever you're comfortable. And if you're gonna sit down, then place your hands in your lap and open up your palms. And it's good to keep these two fingers together like this, and then place it down in your lap. You're gonna breathe in, and as you breathe in, you're gonna visualize white light coming into your body. This white light fills you with strength. It is positive thoughts, it's God's miracles, it's good health in your body. Visualize that coming in. Your body's craving it. Breathe in for about 5 seconds through your nose and let your body fill up with that for a moment. And then when you exhale through your mouth, making a little O with your lips as you release the breath. And when you exhale, all this gunk, blackness, even smoke is going to be released from your body. This is anxiety, stress, worry, fear, lack of health, all being eliminated from your body. Don't be afraid to see that blackness come out, because in order for us to really let go of it, we have to see it. But with every breath, your body, your spirit, your mind, it's going to become cleaner and cleaner with each and every breath. Breathe in the positive energy to a count of 5 in your head. Hold it. Then to a count of 5, release the breath. Making sure to count your breath with each and every time. This allows you to give the structure you need for bringing in the positive and releasing the negative. You want to do this until the negativity is completely gone, and you'll know that this is happening when your body feels weightless. When you feel like you're unaware of your physical body, you feel weightless, even maybe tingling in certain places in your body, and you could no longer see any blackness coming out, and there's only white light coming in and out, that's when you know you have completed it in full. This could take 10 minutes, it could take 20, it could take an hour, but continue until it's all gone. Leave your comments below and let us know how this meditation affected you, what you felt, and if you have any challenges with it, we're happy to answer your questions and to help you with the meditation. Love and light.